Hi, I'm John Newman. I'm the plant director here at McCormick Hadnam. Our people really are absolutely at the heart of everything we do.
So what I enjoy most about working in an operational role is I get to interact directly with the operators. I also get to hear their feedback firsthand on the projects that I'm working on.
The fact that working for McCormick is a people-led organisation and the amount of trust and responsibility I'm given to deliver a great job every day is just really exciting to me.
So progression is one thing good about here. I've seen colleagues going up from production to senior op, and now they are as team leaders. So it is very motivating for us as operators that want to progress with this factory.
Well, the most exciting thing about McCormick is that we're growing as a business and as a site, so we've got unprecedented demand, which looks like it's strong for the coming years. And as a result of that, we're doing lots of recruitment throughout the site, and in particular within my team, from operators up to area managers.
The thing I like the most about McCormick is the people. I've only been here 6 months, and a lot of the time when you start a new job it's really daunting, but it was really lovely starting here. Everyone was really nice and welcoming, and at no point did I get that overwhelming feeling of not knowing anyone. It's been really lovely.
So, great factory, great business, great people. Come and join us.